this video, we are going to work out problems from exercise 7.5, which is under the heading integration by partial fraction. So we have already worked out a few problems in the class, and now let us work out the problems that's given in the exercise. Question number 1 is, you have to integrate the rational function x by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So by partial fractions, we can split this as, now let x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 can be split as a by x plus 1 and plus b by x plus 2. A by the first one and b by the second polynomial. Now you just have to find a and b by simplifying this. So the left hand side remains the same, right hand side you can just do the addition of fractions by cross. If you have only two terms, you can just cross multiply. So the denominator is x plus 1 into x plus 2. Numerator is a into, you have x plus 1 there, x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. And now okay, now the denominator gets cancelled, right? So you're getting it as x is equal to this a, you can multiply inside so that it will be easy for you to compare the coefficients of x. Okay, plus b into x plus 1. So you have to find a and b and substitute that in there. You have to find a and b and substitute in 1. Okay, and then we will integrate it. What is equating a coefficient of x and constant? What do you get for a and b? Equating coefficients x and the constants on both sides. Okay, constants, what do you get? Which implies that coefficient of x on both sides, you just check out. So a into x, b into x. So a plus b into x, right? Ax plus bx, a plus b into x. So a plus b is the coefficient of x, and left side the coefficient of x is 1. And now you left side the constant term is 0, right side a into 2 is 2a, b into 1 is b. From 2a plus b is a constant term on the right side. So 2a plus b is equal to 0. Now you solve these two equations and find the value of a and b. So what did you get for a? So you get a is equal to -1 and b is equal to 2. The same thing you can do by another method also, which is like this, like if you substitute a -1 in x place, -1 plus 1, 0, right? Upon b terms completely goes, b into 0 it becomes. So you can find a from that. And when you substitute x is equal to -2, -2 plus 2 will be 0. So a into 0, a can be eliminated completely if you are putting x equal to 0. So this in the same equation, or this way you can do. Any one only you have to follow, okay? Or you can do this way, put x is equal to -1, and some cases you will have to equate the coefficients. Okay. Put x is equal to minus 1, what do you get? Left side it is minus 1, right? So minus 1 is equal to a into minus 1 plus 2. So minus 1 plus 2 is a. But a you're getting as minus 1, which implies a is equal to minus 1. That's what you have already got even by equating. Now you put x is equal. Yeah, this term, the second term becomes 0. That's why we left it. If you want, you can write it plus b into minus 1 plus 1. Actually, it gets vanished. Okay, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. B into 0 is 0. So it is totally 0. Now you can put x is equal to minus 2, which implies left side it is minus 2 and right side it is a into minus 2 plus 2. This term completely becomes 0. B into minus 2 plus 1, which implies minus 2 is equal to this is 0, and you get minus b. So b is equal to 2, which implies b is equal to 2. Either you follow, okay, you can follow any of these methods, and in some problems that will be easier. So you can just choose which one. Okay, now after finding a and b, you have to substitute in equation 1. So let me clear the screen and we'll start with this one. Well, let us put substitute a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to 2 in 1. So 1 implies, so 1 implies x by the given question, x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to, actually it is a by, right, a is minus 1, minus 1 by x plus 1 plus, and b is 2, right, so 2 by x plus 2. Now you can do the integration. If I'm integrating with respect to x, we get x by x by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into dx is equal to integral minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 2 into dx. In the first step itself, if you want, you can just split it, no problem with that. So you get minus of 1 by x plus 1, the first one, plus 2 into integral 1 by x plus 2 into dx. So you just check out directly the differentiation of the denominator. You check x plus 1, right? Differentiation is 1, that is what is in the numerator. Differentiation of x plus 2 is 1, that's what is in the numerator. In such cases, you can directly write minus of log of x plus 1 plus 2 times log of x plus 2, log of the denominator plus the c, constant c. And now actually it is this plus this, right? The log, okay, here you have log a minus log b, log a minus log b. Upon log a, you already know that log a minus log b is log a by b. Log a by b means it is log a minus log b, log a minus log b. So apply it here. That becomes log of 2 times log of mod x plus 2 by x plus 1. Okay, x plus 2. Before that, we can take this 2 to the numerator. Okay, you can't write this way because that is not log. So before that, you have log a power n is log n into log a. So if it is n log a, you can take n to the power of a. So here 2 you can take to the power like log mod x plus 2 square. X plus 2 the whole square plus no, minus log x plus 1, okay, plus c. And so that is equal to, now you can say in that method, log a by b, x plus 2 the whole square by mod x plus 1 and then plus c. So we will move to the next problem, which is, okay, here in this problem, this is the second question, and here you can write it as x square minus 9 can be written as x square minus 3 square, right? 1 by x square minus 3 square, which can be written as x minus 3 into x, or x plus 3 into x minus 3, anyways, okay? So that is it. You got it as this. Now, so now this can be written as partial fractions. So that is equal to a by x plus 3 plus b by x minus 3. Okay, so this is the equation, and now we are going to simplify this. Okay, we are going to simplify the left side and right side of it. So therefore, what can you say? 1 by x plus 3 into x minus 3 is equal to, just do addition of fractions, x plus denominator is x plus 3 into x minus 3, and the numerator is a into x minus 3 plus b into x plus 3, just addition of fractions. And now the denominator gets cancelled, so you get, okay, now equating coefficients of x and y, or if you put x is equal to 3, a term eliminates, so you will get 6b is equal to 1, and from that you can find the value as b is equal to 1 by 6. And then you have to substitute x is equal to minus 3, so that this b term gets eliminated and it is minus 6 equal to 1, so a is equal to minus 1 by 6. Either way, that way you can do, or you can compare the coefficients of x and then coefficients and then the constant terms, equating the coefficients of x and equating the constant terms. You can find a and b. So anyway you can find. Let us do it. So okay. So you get, let us substitute, okay, put say x is equal to 3. So when you put x is equal to 3, what does it become? 1 is equal to a into 3 minus 3 plus b into 3 plus 3. So this term gets eliminated. So you get 1 is equal to 60, which implies b is equal to 1 by 6. Similarly, put x is equal to minus 3, so b term gets eliminated, and which will give you a is equal to minus 1 by 6. Okay, simplify it and find it, a equal to minus 1 by 6. Now in equation 1 you are supposed to substitute this equation 1, that is this value is equal to this value. So you get 1 by x square plus minus 9 is equal to a by, in place of a you will put minus 3. So minus 3 by x plus 3, and sorry, b is 1 by 6 and a is minus 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 by x plus 3 plus 1 by 6 by minus 1 by 6 by x plus 3 plus 1 by 6 by x minus 3. So that is the equation 1 becomes that way. That is equation 1 implies. Okay, now we are supposed to integrate it on both sides. This 1 by minus 1 by 6 constant you can bring outside the integral. So what you get is, therefore integration of the given question with respect to x is equal to integration of that on the right side. But you can split it, or one time you can write as it is and then you can split minus 1 by 6 into x plus 3 plus 1 by 6 into x minus 3 into dx, and then you can split it. So minus 1 by 6 integral dx by x plus 3 plus 1 by 6 integral dx by. So differentiation of the denominator, that is what is x plus 3, it is just 1, right? So differentiation of x plus 3 is in the numerator 1 into, okay, dx, and x minus 3 also differentiation is 1, that is what is in the numerator. So you can directly write it as log of the denominator minus 1 by 6 log of x plus 3 plus log of that, all the integrating constants together you can write. So it is 1 by 6 into log of x minus 3. So again you have, it is of the form, you can take the 1 by 6 outside. 1 by 6, take it outside. 1 by 6, when you are taking out, try the positive term first. So you get log, it is log x minus 3 minus log x plus 3. And now we know that is equal to, that is equal to 1 by 6 log a minus log b is log a by b. So it is log a by b and plus the integrating constant c. So we'll move to the next question. Question number 3, which is 3x minus 1 by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. So this can be written as partial fractions. You can write in partial fractions as, here you have three product of three terms, right? So in the denominator you have product of three terms, so you can write it as a by first term plus b by the next x minus 2 and c by x minus 3. So now addition of fractions, do the addition of fractions. The left side remains the same, x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, and in the right side the denominator is x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, and the numerator you have x minus 1 there, so the remaining is x minus 2 and x minus 3. So a into x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b into, in the denominator you have x minus 2, so you can leave x minus 2 because it gets cancelled. You get it as x minus 1 into x minus 3. And now plus c into x minus 3 is already there. So it is x minus 1 into x minus 2. Denominator and denominator gets cancelled and you're getting 3x minus 1 is equal to a into x minus 2 x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now you can, if you're substituting 1 for x, 1 minus 1, this term becomes 0. And here 1 minus 1, so c into 0. 0 into always becomes 0. So a and b eliminates, you'll get B and C gets eliminated, you get A. Okay, you will get the value of A, and then substitute x equal to 2 when you substitute. Here a term becomes 0, and here you, in the C term you have x minus 2. So 2 minus 2 becomes 0, so C gets cancelled. You can find B, and if you put x equal to 3, you have x equal to x 3 minus 3, in the first term 3 minus 3, it becomes 0. So a and b actually gets eliminated and you can find c. So let us put x equal to 1 first and find a, and put x equal to 2 and find b, and x equal to 3 and find c. So I hope you can do it that one by yourself and I can move on directly with the answers, or what. Let us put x is equal to 1. You put x is equal to 1, what do you get? 2 is equal to 2a you'll get, which implies a is equal to 1. When you put 2 is equal, x equal to 2, you'll get 5 is equal to minus b. Okay, so b is minus 5. And put x equal to 3, you will get c is equal to 4. So a is 1, b is minus 5, c is 4. So equation 1, you can substitute in equation 1, which implies 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to a by x minus 1, right? So it is 1 by x minus 1 plus you have minus 5 for b. b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3, that is 4 by x minus 3. Now all you have to do is just find the integration, and integration becomes very simple this way. Therefore integration of 3x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into dx is equal to, so integration of this whole thing. Okay, integration of that whole thing. How can, also you can split it. You can split it as integral 1 by x minus 1 dx. Next one, minus 5 you take outside, so it is 1 by x minus 2 into dx plus 4 into integral 1 by x minus 3 into dx. So you get log of mod x minus 1 log minus 5 into log x minus 2. It's all because the denominator has the differentiation of the numerator. Differentiation of the denominator is in the numerator. In that case, you can write log of mod x minus 1 should not be inside the root. So you can write it this way, or you can do it by substitution. If you put t for x minus 1, that way you can proceed. But okay, plus the integrating constancy. Now log a plus log b is log ab, right? So this and this you can combine, but this 4 you should take to the power before that. So, or you can stop by here. There are too many numbers.